Good morning, Mom.
Good morning, Anna.
Huh?
Are you ready for school?
Huh? Yes, I feel very excited today. Can I go to school with you? You are still too young, Peter.
Eat your breakfast before school.
Okay, Dad.
Don't forget your lunchbox.
I already packed it. Have fun at school. Bye, everyone.
Have a wonderful day.
I will. The weather is so nice today. Anna! Anna! Over here! Good morning, everyone! Do you want to play before class? Of course! This game is so fun!
You run very fast. Good morning, class.
Good morning, teacher.
Today we have a new student. Please come inside. Her name is Lily.
Hello, everyone.
Lily just moved here recently.
She looks nervous. She is very quiet.
Please be kind and help her.
Okay, teacher. Okay, teacher.
Lily, you can sit over there.
She looks lonely.
Let's begin today's lesson.
After today. Lily is not talking to anyone. Maybe she is shy. Lunchtime! Lunchtime! Hey! Where is Lily? is eating by herself. Can I sit here with you? Okay. My name is Anna. I know. Do you like this school? You can play with us later. Maybe. Are you feeling sad? I miss my old friends. That sounds difficult. Everything feels new here. I understand how you feel. Yes, new places can feel scary. Would you want to follow me? I feel nervous all the time. You don't have to be alone. Thank you, Anna. You are welcome. Anna, come play with us. Yay! Can Lily join too? Of course she can. Morgan. Yes. I'm not very good at games. That's okay. We can help you. This is actually fun. See? Everyone is friendly. You can be on my team. Really? Thank you. Goodbye, Lily. Goodbye, Anna.
How was school today?
I met a new girl named Lily.
Did she have a good first day?
Not really. She looked very lonely.
That must feel difficult for her.
I tried to talk to her.
That was very kind of you. Friendship takes time.
What should I do?
Keep being patient and kind.
Small kindness can change someone's day.
I want Lily to feel welcome.
You are becoming a wonderful person.
Tomorrow I will help her again.
A little kindness can make a big difference.